Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be going over my 5 most trusted places to buy silver. You guys are so important to me. Without you guys, I would be nothing. This channel would be nothing. And you guys have also helped me so much throughout my stacking journey that the least I can do is give back. I've been buying silver for several years now, so I like making tutorial type videos to help you guys learn from my mistakes so you can have the best, most affordable, least costly, experience while starting off stacking or even as an experienced stacker. So today I've thought hard and long about this. I weighed out the pros and cons of these 5 places. These are the 5 places that I definitely think are the best to purchase silver from. I'll go over each site and explain why. And if you are a newer stacker, the links will be in the description of this if you want to check out all these places. So just bear along with me. And also, if you guys do want to see some tutorial type videos like how I make thumbnails, how to screen record and all that, let me know. I'm thinking about helping people start channels as well. There's a lot of silver channels that are starting to pop up more. So if you guys want help starting a YouTube channel to build it successfully, let me know and I'll start doing that as well. But anyways, let's get into this video. So the first one is APMEX. Now APMEX is probably the most popular place to buy silver. That's where most people purchase from, including myself. They have a lot of really cool features, but the main thing that APMEX has is they're so diverse. They have so many different types of silver you can purchase, or gold. You can go from, Perth Mint, kangaroos, you can go to the Geiger bars, you can get junk silver, world silver, you can get statues, silver bullets. They have banknotes from all over the world. They have world banknotes you can buy, all types of series. They have everything on here: platinum, palladium, rare coins, everything. But also they have a lot of deals. As you can see, it says free shipping on orders over $99, which is really cool. Their customer service is top of the line. They respond very quick. But also you can, if you have a problem with your silver and you need to return it, if there maybe your coin has a scratch or something and you don't like the condition, you can return it and they will give you a new coin that is up to your satisfaction and standards, which places like eBay won't do. There's no return, so if you buy a coin and you don't like it or whatever, you're pretty much screwed. But APMEX, you can return them. And also APMEX has this really cool feature where if you sign in and you purchase, let's say for a month straight, they have an online portfolio that shows all the silver or all the coins you purchased, every single coin. It shows how much it's appreciated in value, how much money you've spent, and it just shows X amount is silver, like say 83% of your portfolio is silver, 10% gold, 7% palladium, platinum. It's so cool how they have that. I'm not signed in right now because it shares my personal information, but I can literally see every purchase I've ever made on APMEX and how much my portfolio is worth and the growth rate and all that. So it's really, really unique. I love that. I love that about them. Also, if you have a coin that you're looking about buying, or maybe some coins you did buy, it also shows you their buyback price for if you do sell back to them, how much they will pay to buy the coin off you for. So APMEX is definitely one of my favorites. Second is Modern Coin Mart. Modern Coin Mart is amazing, especially their Black Friday deals. You can get amazing deals. They're also very, very, very diverse. They have a lot of coins that they have this new arrival page. A lot of coins that aren't even out yet on most other sites they do have, and they usually sell them for cheap. But also, the thing I like about APMEX about Modern Coin Mart, sorry, is they have these lots of 5 or 10 you can buy, or even lots of 15. Like, see, look, a lot of 15, 30 grams for 343. So if you were to buy all those individually, it would cost a lot more money. But since you can buy them in lots of 5 and 10 and 15, you can get deals. Like, let's see right here. See all these lots right here? Most companies don't do that. If I wanted to buy 5 Highland Mint 1 ounce St. Gaudens off of APMEX or something, I would have to pay individually each one of these coins and pay for the premium on top. Well, this place, what they did is you can buy in bulk, so you can get deals. So it's cheaper, and you can usually get really, really good deals. Like for the Black Friday, I bought a lot of 10 pandas, and I only paid the premium of one coin for all 5 or all 10. So it's really, really, really unique. They also have a daily deals page and all that. It's really, really cool. So if you are interested in that, check them out as well. Definitely one of my favorite places. Next up, we have Jaeger's Poured Silver. This is for people. I wanted to make this a diverse because a lot of people don't like coin. A lot of people like poured silver. I love poured silver as well. Um, definitely these coins have their own character. They also can grow premiums on top, almost like collector value. Jaeger's Poured Silver is my favorite place to go for poured silver. I definitely don't think you should be buying poured silver on APMEX. You should be buying coins like Pandas, Kookaburras on APMEX. But if you're looking for poured silver, I definitely think that this is the site. They even have like Silver Slackers, as you guys know. He's a silver YouTuber. He hosts his stuff on here. They just have beautiful silver on here. Some of my favorites are their 4-ounce Kit Kat bars. Let's see if I can find it right here. I think it's let's see if I can find the kit. I think it's a 4-ounce Kit Kat. But the 4-ounce Kit Kat's my favorite. I love these things. Let's see if I can find them. Well, I don't want to make this video too long, so if I can't find them real quick, then I'll just you guys can come back to it. But anyways, yeah, but this Jaeger's Poured Silver is definitely is one of my favorites. They have really fast shipping. They have great customer service. They also have a lot of deals because when you're purchasing, here's the Kit Kats I was talking about. I love these 4-ounce Kit Kat bars. They are so beautiful. They fit so nice in the hand. But yeah, if you were gonna purchase poured silver anywhere else, you would be paying a lot higher premiums, and I definitely think this is the place to go. So, anyways, the next up we have is JM Bullion. So JM Bullion is a really respected, trusted site that I'm sure a lot of you guys also purchase from. There's free shipping on orders over $100. They have a lot of unique coins. They also have, this is why I chose JM Bullion. They have a 10-ounce silver starter kit where if for this is one deal per household. So if you've never purchased from them, or if you've never purchased this from them, you can buy 10 ounces of silver at spot price, but you can only do it once, and it's only one per household. But this is perfect for a beginner stacker that wants to just buy some silver for the metal content for cheap. I definitely recommend this. This is the starter kit, and it's really cool they do this. It's all generic silver, probably the Highland Mint rounds, or the Buffalo, whatever it says. Round from Trust American Mint. All orders plastic tube inside of a custom velvet pouch, 10 ounce at spot, offer limited 1 per household, ships within 1 business day. It's a great deal. I recommend this. Everyone needs to take advantage of this at least once. If you've never purchased this, I definitely think this is the best bang for your buck. So that's definitely why I love JM Bullion for that, especially because I do like making a lot of videos that are helping out beginner stackers. I love helping you guys out, sharing deals with you guys, and helping you guys really find the most bang for your buck so you can lower your dollar per cost average as well. So next up we have Provident Metals. I also really like Provident Metals because they are diverse, they're really respectable, they're trusted, but they also have their own types of silver coins they release in series. It's almost like they have their own rounds that they make, and they grow somewhat of a numismatic value. Well, not numismatic, but a collector value. And if you've never seen them, the coins look really good. They have a lot of coins that come out a lot earlier than most other coins. Like, let's say like here's a third release of the Dragon. A lot of people were talking about this recently. It's a beautiful coin. There you can buy series like this, and you can collect them, and maybe you can get silver, platinum, palladium, whatever, or you can just collect the whole series from whether it comes out every month. But see, here's the new at Provident, the Intaglio Mint 2-ounce silver rounds, new designs available. So these are coins that are specifically released from Provident Metals that you can buy and take advantage of, and they will start to grow collector value. They usually have somewhat high premiums, but over time you definitely will be getting your money's worth. Trust me, these coins definitely appreciate. There is a huge demand for them, especially just because the design is so is so beautiful and so intricate. These coins are definitely collector, very valuable coins with a lot of artwork. If you're someone who likes a lot of design in your coins, for your coins to look really unique and to pop out, then they definitely have that. This is the third release right here, but I love Provident Metals for that. They're changing the game up, making unique things. See, as you can see, they have all of them in copper, silver, everything. So these coins look wicked though, where they are rounds, I guess. It is a round because it's not a coin. Coin is government backed. That actually could be of face value, but these are rounds because it's not an actual coin that you can you know, sell as real fiat, or not, well, as real value. But yeah, these coins look really good. Really good. They have lots of different ones, but it's just something you can, if you're into that. I like making videos like this because I like to show you guys a lot of different types of silver so you can figure out what interests you. Maybe you never knew Provident Metal had these, and you are someone who likes coins like pandas, or maybe the Rwanda series, and you like really intricate coins, but you never even knew that Provident Metal offer this. And as you can see, these coins or these rounds are very cheap as well. They're very affordable, a lot cheaper than the Rwanda, or you know, the Swan 2019 Swans. So you can still collect very intricate, fine detailed coins for cheap that also will appreciate in value as well. And that's something I like to always promote, is if I can help you guys find whatever you know, direction you want to go in to make it easier or more exciting for your own stack, then my job is definitely done. So yeah, so anyways, just to recap, we have AppMex, we have Modern Coin Mart. They have an eBay page. I'll link you to the eBay page because the eBay page is where they have their lots of 5 and 10 deals, but they also do have an actual website, but I like their eBay page a lot more. Then you have Jaeger's Poured Silver. If you're looking for poured silver, you have JM Bullion, which is as the silver starter kit. And then you have Provident Metals, which has their own series and sets, and also very respectable. So if you can see, each site, each place I chose specifically has something that benefits that site individually, aside from everyone else. None of these two sites are the same. All of them have unique things that are going for them, that make them unique and make them very trusted, and also that you could take advantage of. And that's why I chose those 5 sites. So anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you enjoy this type of content. Also, make sure to check out the 5 sites. Link will be in the description. This was Silver Slayer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon. Peace.